Today at Bellmetric, we're going to show you the proper way to assemble the Normafix metal banding with the Cotter pin buckles. First, you need to anchor one end of the banding by passing it through the buckle and folding it over. Next, pull the loose end of the banding through the buckle and loop around your assembly for one full rotation. After the second pass, thread the banding through the Cotter pin clip. Finally, wind the Cotter pin clip to tighten the banding assembly. We offer this banding in widths of 5mm and 9mm, and it can be purchased by the meter or as a 30-meter roll.